Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And I'm going to be teaching you guys in today's video how you guys can hide your Snapchat score from your friend. So let me show you guys. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. So over here under my name you can see 408, the number 408, that's my snap score. And anybody who has friended me or who I have friended can see them by coming to this profile. So the only working way is either you have to remove the person from your friend list or either you have to block them. Now this is the only way it works because there's no such thing as hide my snap score button in Snapchat. So the only thing you can do is block your friend or either remove them from your friend list. Now this is simple, but this is the only way it works, alright? So I'm sorry, but if you know any other way, then you can comment down below and I'll make a video on that as well. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.